Need some rain to climb a visor, please. Oh. Right, just testing. New helmet, new mic. Tally ho! Oh. Right. I was going to go out yesterday with that man from Yorkshire, and Terry Jackman, but like I said, weather was forecast bad, so we didn't go. So what have I done? I've come out today when it's raining. Hey, what a palaver. Should have gone yesterday, it was lovely. Lad. Poor things. Hey. Oops. Bang. Yep, that's it. See how deep we are today. Hey, look at that. How deep? 6 inch. That's all, about 6 inch I'd say. It's quite handy this really, because I've just scrubbed my discs up because we're a bit rusty. Got all the dust off my wheels now. Right, time to go. Cars are coming. Oh, I've got wet feet. I need a bit more rain to clear my visor. Do you think I could jump that on bike? Oh, not inflate my tyres. I could have been a singer, couldn't I? Yeah. Why? Just trying to headbutt the bridge. Hey, I seem to laugh at anything nowadays. Oh, where does that go? Some find out. Right, see where we're heading today. I don't know, somewhere nice, I hope. Engine brake, that, you know. Good engine brake, and then you listen. Audible warning. What do you think of my new helmet? Can you see it? Hey! That's my new helmet. Can you see it in my mirror? Hey! First time I've worn it today, that one. Hey! And that one. Ripenden.